Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Sun, today's discussion is Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a massive hot ball of plasma, inflated and heated by energy produced by nuclear fusion and reaction. At its core, part of the internal energy is emitted from its surface as as light and ultraviolet and infrared radiation, providing most of the energy for life on Earth. The Sun moves galactic center, around the galactic center of the Milky Way at a distance 26,660 light years from Earth. It is an average 1 astronomical unit 1.496 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer or about 8 light minutes away. Its diameter is about 1 1391400. Okay, 1 crore 3 lakh 91,400 kilometer. Okay, 109 times that of Earth or 4 lunar distance. Its mass is about 3,30,000 times that of Earth, making up about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. So friends, I have I have made up a sun model. Please check the sun surface properly. This is the sun surface, okay? The sun consists primarily the chemical element hydrogen and helium. At this time, sun's life, they account for 74.9% and 23.8%. The radiative zone is thickest layer of the sun, 0.45 solar radiation radii. Atmosphere. The sun atmosphere is composed of 4 parts: photosphere, chromosphere, and the transition region, the corona and the helisphere. The sun has a stellar magnetic field that varies across its surface. Its polar field is 1 to 2 Gauss, 0.001 and 0.0002 Tesla, whereas the field is typically 3000 Gauss, 0.3 Tesla in features on the sun called sunspots. Sunspots. You see also in here spots and 10 to 100 Gauss in solar prominence. The magnetic field varies in time and location. The quasi-period or 11-year solar cycle is the most prominent variations. So sunspots are visible as dark patches. Okay, as a dark patches. You see that a lot of dark. Yeah, this is the dark. These dark patches are the sun. These dark patches is the sunspots. Sun formed about 4.6 billion years ago from the collapse of a part of giant molecular cloud. The Sun has 8 known planets orbiting it. This includes 4 terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, 2 gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. The brightness of Sun can causes pain from looking at it with the naked eye. However, doing so for brief periods is not hazardous for normal, non-dilated eyes. Equatorial circumference 4.3379 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. The surface of the Sun is called the photosphere, a term which means sphere of light. The glowing ball of light that you see in the sky is the photosphere. The surface of the Sun is only part that we can see from Earth on a typical day without use of specialized equipment. The photosphere is cooler than the layers around it. Photosphere is a thinner and cooler layer than its neighbor layers. It is only about 500 km wide. What's on the surface of the sunspots? Sunspots indicators of disturbed magnetic fields are the most common features seen in the photosphere. Sunspots are generally surrounded by lighter areas called facula, and observing sunspots drift across the surface helped astronomers discovers that the sun actually rotates on its axis. The polar regions takes take longer to complete a rotation than the equatorial regions because the sun is not solid. So friends, I hope I can give some a general idea of the sun and sun surface, because sun is very important for our astronomical science. That's why I create this video, and I hope people like my videos and my graphics.